Hello guys, welcome back again, and today we're going to have a quick tutorial on how to change the spark plug on a S50 LX50 ET2, any of the Vespa 50 ranges really. Not too sure about the Primavera, but take off this cubby hole here and the spark plug boot should be there. So I'll just show you the process now. First thing we do is we come here, you should see the little screw here, and we want to take that off. So I'll just take that off on camera, it's a bit hard on one hand. Excuse the rain as well. You know, we work in all conditions. So once that's off, pull this here, and this is our spark plug boot. I pull that out, and there's our spark plug. So I'll just show you how to undo that. It's probably a 16, that'd be an 18 actually, I'm not too sure. So yeah, I'll show you how to take that out. So the next process would be getting your spark plug removal tool. This is a 21mm, and you place it over the spark plug like so, in there, and you turn. I have already cracked this off camera, and you just turn. It's going to be very hard at first, but after you crack it, it should be easy. Turn it. The last few bits just do with your hand, and when putting it on, do it with your hand too. And here is the spark plug. You can see it's not in great condition. Try and get that to focus. Put it against the red. Not in great condition, needs a replacement. And I'll also show you later on how to read the spark plug in another video. So when it's black and oily like this, oh, it's not too bad actually, but yeah, I'll show you in another video how to read the spark plug. Once you're at this stage, the rest is pretty self-explanatory. Got a new spark plug. These are about 3-4 quid. The one I'm putting in is a BR9ES. So the first bit of it you want to screw in by hand so you don't strip it. Can you see how that's not going in? That's why you don't want to screw it in with too much force with the actual socket wrench. So just screw it in by hand so it won't go in any further. Screw the rest in by this tool, it's pretty tight. Put the boot in, put this back in with the screw, and you're done. And yet, that's how to change the spark plug on an ET2 LX50. This is an S50 model, will be on sale soon. And yeah, stay tuned for more tutorials on this bike. Thank you for watching.